Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So, I will introduce our new unit in this particular screencast video, talk a little bit about that and where we might be going in the next few weeks. So, let's hop over to the course units. I have opened up the review project. Now, the review project is really pretty straightforward and it can be a fun activity. I know many students initially look at it with a little bit of anxiety, but overall it is a fun and it's a fun assignment. I like to think it that way. So the purpose here is two parts. You are going to write a review article about multimedia genre. And you picked a genre and you picked a topic. So I say here in the particular instructions, you're going to write a review article, and it's not really an essay format. And we'll talk a little bit more about that, and I'll provide some examples as we move forward. But you're going to write 1,000-word review, and you're going to build in a web page using Google Sites. So you get to design and build a web page that will serve as your container for the article. You will submit the published link to that web page as your final essay assignment, or your final assignment there. I should say it's not an essay, it's an article. And your audience for this is appropriate for your topic, depending on what you're doing there. So you're going to create and publish a web page that'll hold your article reviewing either a film, a TV show, a song or an album, an artist, a video game if you're a gamer, or a podcast. So the page should accomplish many things here. Have a creative title, be visually appealing, easy to navigate. In other words, scroll through your page. Have a clear focus by engaging the target audience. And I provided a link to a Google Sites tutorial on how to go about building websites. It's a pretty straightforward and easy process. So the corresponding discussion board post is just generating ideas for your particular topic, much like we did for the cultural artifact. I believe I asked you for 3 possibilities here that you can come up with for your review topic. I have everything from Marvel movies to albums and artists, video games, very little sometimes in a podcast, but they make their way into this particular project. All sorts of TV shows and series with the popularity of streaming platforms. That's pretty much a wide open category as long as the content is appropriate, right? So we have chapter 7 is what we'll be working in, and it really provides a lot of insight on how to write a review, how to develop your criteria, and establishing how to provide the evidence to make a judgment. You can't tell me about something, you have to tell me how and why it is good and what makes it good. So, like I said, I will have some um, examples as we move forward. I would certainly take some time right now working through chapter 7, introduction, and 7.1, and then 7.3 is really where you can get into some of the terms and strategies about establishing the criteria, looking that over, and providing evidence. So, and get a head start on that information. All right. So that's what we're doing in this next unit, is writing a review and building a website. So this week, I'll talk a little bit more about criteria and evaluation in the lecture video, probably focusing on section 7.3, and we'll move forward on this new unit. If you have any questions or issues, send me an email.